Acne and Pimple Herbal Remedies. Are acne and pimples ruining your confidence? Let's understand the root causes and treat them naturally with powerful herbal remedies. Welcome back to Skin Maker Lab. Today we're breaking down acne, what causes it, the types you need to know, and how to treat it naturally using herbs you already have at home. Acne is more than just a skin issue. It's your skin crying out for balance. Here are the main causes: clogged pores, hormonal changes, excess oil production, and bacterial buildup. Understanding these triggers helps you fight acne from the root. Not all acne is the same. Recognizing your type is key to treating it right. Blackheads, whiteheads, papules and pustules, and cystic acne. Let's treat them naturally and effectively. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove oil and bacteria. Mix 1 tablespoon of neem powder, 3 to 4 drops of tea tree oil, and a little water to make a paste. Use this to cleanse your face twice a day. Neem kills bacteria, while tea tree oil reduces inflammation and prevents breakouts. Next, tone your skin to shrink pores and remove residue. Steep 1 green tea bag in hot water. Let it cool and mix with 1 tablespoon of witch hazel. Apply with a cotton pad. This reduces redness, controls oil, and prevents blackheads. For active pimples, apply this soothing anti-acne paste, 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, and a pinch of turmeric powder. Apply to pimples before bedtime. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory, while aloe soothes and heals. Use a deep cleansing mask once or twice a week. Mix 2 tablespoons of Multani Mitti, Fuller's Earth, with enough rose water to make a smooth paste. Apply for 15 minutes and rinse. This draws out impurities, tightens pores, and reduces oiliness. Drink plenty of water to flush toxins. Eat less sugar and oily food. Never sleep with makeup on. Change pillowcases regularly. Natural skincare works best with a healthy lifestyle. Acne doesn't have to be a lifelong struggle. Treat it naturally, treat it right with Skin Maker Lab. Like, share, and subscribe for more herbal skincare videos. Stay confident, stay naturally glowing.